Progressive choice versus recommended. Which one is right for you? Progressive offers two coverage options: Progressive choice and recommended coverage. Both provide different levels of protection, catering to different needs and budgets. Understanding the key differences will help you choose the best plan for your situation. First, Progressive choice, customizable coverage. Progressive choice allows you to build your own policy by selecting coverage types and limits. It offers flexibility, making it ideal for those who want to manage costs while meeting legal requirements. 2. Recommended coverage, comprehensive protection. Progressive's recommended coverage is a preset plan that includes higher liability limits, collision, and comprehensive insurance. It is designed for maximum financial protection in case of accidents, theft, or other damage. 3. Cost differences, budget versus security. Progressive choice typically offers lower premiums since you can pick only the essential coverages. Recommended coverage, on the other hand, has higher premiums due to its added protection and higher coverage limits. 4. Liability limits, minimum versus enhanced. Choice coverage allows you to opt for state minimum liability limits, while recommended coverage includes higher liability limits, protecting you better in serious accidents. 5. Collision and comprehensive, optional versus included. With Progressive choice, you can add collision and comprehensive coverage if needed. In the recommended plan, these coverages are typically included by default. 6. Additional benefits, basic versus full coverage. The recommended plan often includes extra features such as rental car reimbursement, roadside assistance, and higher uninsured motorist coverage. Progressive choice allows you to add these benefits at an extra cost. 7. Who should choose Progressive choice? If you're looking for affordable coverage and only need basic protection, Progressive choice is a good option. This is ideal for low-risk drivers or those with older vehicles. 8. Who should choose recommended coverage? If you want better financial protection, own a newer or financed vehicle, or drive frequently, the recommended plan is the safer choice. It provides stronger coverage for various risks. Choosing the right coverage depends on your budget and risk tolerance. If you prioritize affordability, go with Progressive choice. If you want maximum protection, the recommended plan is worth considering. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.